What is Flagella of bacteria? A bacterial flagellum is a long hair-like appendage, protruding from the cell surface. It acts as a propeller for movement, bacterial motility. It enables the bacteria to move towards favorable environments. Flagella are distinct from pili, which are used for attachment, and from cilia in eukaryotes. What is composition of flagella? A bacterial flagellum is mainly made up of the protein called flagellin. What is the location of flagella? It is found in both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Structure of bacterial flagella. A bacterial flagellum consists of three main components. Filament. It is a rigid, hollow outermost part, made of flagellin protein. Hook. It is a flexible structure connecting the filament to the motor portion, enabling the flagellum to rotate. Basal body. It is a complex anchor system attached to the cytoplasmic membrane and cell wall, acting as a motor. Types of flagella based on flagellar arrangement. Bacteria are classified based on the number and location of their flagella. Monotrichous bacteria. It is a single flagellum at one end of bacteria. For example, Vibrio cholerae and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Amphitrichous bacteria. It is a single flagellum attached at both ends of bacteria. For example, Campylobacter jejuni. Lophotrichous bacteria. It is a tuft or cluster of flagella at one or both ends of bacteria. For example, Helicobacter pylori. Peritrichous bacteria. These are numerous flagella distributed all over the entire surface of bacteria. For example, Escherichia coli.